Hello everyone, this is Tate the lawn cutting and rail fanning musician. In this video I'm going to show you how to make dark cyan on the 16 color. Well, I'm actually going to show you how to make all the colors as dark colors on the 16 color RGB light bulb. We're going to start off with dark red, and we're going to hold it all the way down. Make sure that registers well. Oh, that's the up button. There it is. So you want to hold this down intensity button until the light goes down to nothing. Just like that. And now we're going to press red. And there's dark red, like a really dark red. Green is pretty good. Blue, do the same thing, but we're going to make it a little bit lighter. Now if my room was darker, we could actually do the darker lights, but that's not the way it is. But there's dark blue. You might be able to see it on the bulb. You actually can. So dark red, dark green, dark blue. Yellow, you can't really make a dark color out of yellow, but magenta, dark magenta, and dark cyan. Now cyan is actually a bright color, so we will turn that back up to where it's really bright. And that is dark, that is really bright cyan. Now let's figure out how to make teal. Well, you obviously want the cyan button. You want to push the cyan button, and you want to have it up all the way just for reference. And you want to push the intensity button down a little bit. So up there, make sure we have cyan. There's magenta. Alright, sorry about that, YouTube. While I was in the middle of making a color for y'all, my oldest brother decided to stop in. So we're going to get back to what we're doing. So you want to have your cyan button. You want to have your intensity up all the way. And now you want to turn it down to about, and sorry if there's background noise, but you want to turn this down to about roughly, we'll push it 10 times. Or let's go, no, hold on. Let's bring it back up. Make sure, we'll push white just for reference real quick. Push white for reference, turn it all the way up. Then we'll push cyan, and then we'll turn it down about, yeah, it's kind of because of the natural light coming through my window, but there it is up there. There's teal, and that is how you make darker colors, dark cyan, dark red, dark green, and dark blue on the 16 colors RGB light bulb. Alright, YouTube, thank you for watching, and I sure hope y'all enjoyed it.